Assalamu alaikum students. In previous lecture we discussed about osmoregulation in plants and animals. Today we will discuss about osmoregulation in different environmental conditions. So first we will discuss what is osmoregulation. In previous lecture I told about it is the type of homeostasis. Homeostasis is the maintenance of internal conditions, internal temperature, internal salts, internal water with harm fluctuations of external conditions. So osmoregulation is one of the type. We discussed there three types: osmoregulation, thermoregulation, and excretion. So here is osmoregulation. In different environment there are two types of environment we will discuss. One is marine environment, one is aquatic environment, and second is terrestrial environment. Here you can see this one is terrestrial environment and this one is marine environment. Mm, or aquatic environment. In aquatic environment further two cases are present. First one is marine environment and the second one is freshwater environment. The difference between both these environment is marine environment is rich of salts, maximum amount of salt is present there, and there is low concentration of pure water, while in fresh water there is less concentration or least concentration or negligible amount of salts, but maximum water is present. So we will discuss how they regulate with environment, how they survive environment, what mechanism they use to adopt themselves in different environments. If we consider or look on marine environment, there are four types of organism. First one are hagfishes, second are cartilaginous fishes, third are urea containing fishes, and fourth one are bony fishes. Hagfishes remains isotonic to the environment. They don't need to adjust their water or salt condition. Their environment remain isotonic, means they release or they gain and lose same amount of salts and water. For example, if they gain 10 gram of salt, they will lose 10 gram. Similarly, if they gain 100 ml water, they will lose 100 ml water. So they remain isotonic. They don't need actively to adjust with the external environment. Next is cartilaginous fishes. Cartilaginous fishes are biting fishes mostly. They maintain lower internal salt condition than seawater. We already discussed that these are mainly marine environment, and in marine environment maximum or more amount of salts are present, but they have low concentration of salt in their body. Either outside their body there are more amount of salts are present, but the rule of nature is that things move from higher concentration to lower concentration. But in this case cartilaginous fishes, either they have low salt in their body as compared to outer side, they in spite they release salt in higher concentration. So it is the against the law of nature. Then for this they need to active transport. For active transport they use ATP, and or they use force to release the salts in the environment where already salts are present. So there are special, for this purpose, special glands are present that are called rectal glands. Here are rectal glands. You can see these glands, this one. If I zoom it, you can see it clearly. These are, here are rectal glands present here, this one, which help them to actively adjust the salt concentration in from their body. Next type is urea retaining marine fishes. They also have low amount of